Everyone is talking about ChatGPT. Everyone is talking about that AI is coming and it will replace all the jobs and it will eat all the jobs. It will took all the jobs of the human. Everyone is stressing on Microsoft, on Elon Musk, that they are going to replace all the jobs, they are going to replace all the human employments. What they will do? There are lots of tussle created in these debates. Okay, will AI took all jobs of human? So in this video, we are going to discuss the same. We are going to discuss what is going to happen in reality if AI will be with every person of the earth. So hello everybody, Abutullah this side. Hope you are good and doing very well. This video is going to be very important for everyone who is trying to build their career, who is finding a skill, who is finding a niche for themselves to work on, and for everyone who is college students, who is a teenager. It means who is going to enter in real life or real world. So let's start the video. See, here are two things. First thing, yes, AI will take over human jobs. AI will replace job opportunities. AI will eat many jobs. But the second thing, AI will also give birth to new job opportunities. If AI is eating one job, then it means it is also giving birth to new job opportunities. Like suppose that if AI is taking over security jobs, then on the other hand they are also creating jobs for AI developers, programmers, ML engineers. Alright, so eating one job, it means it is replacing the employment sector, and it happens every time. You can see the history in every generation. Job opportunities shift from one place to another place. Like in ancient times, there were mantris, there were senapati, and that all replaced by commanders, that all replaced by politicians. It was an example in every period job opportunities shift, and similarly it is happening today also. Alright, so first of all, stop abusing those who is working with AI or who is inventing AI or who is investing on AI, and stop stressing about there will not be any job sectors. Yeah, some job will be reduced, some employment sectors will be reduced, will go down, but if you are the one who can master any skill very fast and who can shift their niche, who can shift their field very fast, then you will adapt to that and you will be at the top. So first of all, let's see how AI works. I'm not from the field of AI, but what I know is AI is a trained machine, alright, and it is trained with a limited data that are present on the internet. But as you can see, every data is on the internet, and one AI can be trained with every data of all human beings, of all those things that exist. So still there are something that from which AI could not be trained, like human mind, like emotions, like feelings, like internal creativity, like understanding the situation, understanding the feelings of a human being. So AI is a trained machine which is trained by a limited data that is given. Like suppose you want to build an AI which can identify a fruit, let's say guava. Alright, so what you have to do is you will have to give all the data. You will have to feed all the data about the guava. You will have to feed all the pictures, all the possible pictures that could have of guava. You have to feed them to that AI, and then it will identify what is guava, how it looks, what are their features. When you will go to the upper level, its complications will increase, its boundaries will also increase. Alright, so one thing is sure, it will take a lot of job opportunities, but there are few sectors that could never be replaced by any machines. Like, yeah, it can identify a disease, it can give a cure to any disease, and also it can assist you in surgery. But to understand the feeling of a human, you need a human being. And then you can see in psychology, which is totally connected with the human mind, with the thinking, with the feeling, with the thought patterns, and this is the only thing that cannot be replaced by any AI. So make sure you are on that field where human presence is must needed. Alright, and on every field where repetitive actions, where the situation can be predictable or it can be identified by an AI, yeah, those jobs will be replaced. So it is nothing more than the shifting of job opportunities from one sector to another sector. The only thing which you need to focus is choose a field, choose a work in which human presence is must needed, where humans own creativity is needed, where human decision is needed. Alright, so there is nothing much to worry about. You just need to choose your skill very carefully, choose your field very carefully, in which you can see the growth in next decades, and by keeping all those things AI, ML in mind, what could be the scope in next decade or in next 5 to 6 years. I'm not going to give you recommendation of any field. That thing you will have to figure out by yourself. And one thing I can say ki if you are in your any field and if you are at the top, then you will never be replaced by anything. All right, yeah, AI is coming and there will be a time when everyone will be using AI and when everyone will be using those tools. So why not you are going to build AI? Why not you are learning machine languages? You are learning programming, coding. So every problems create new solution and every new solution brings new opportunities. So enough for this video. I hope you got the information and I hope it will help you a lot. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and have a good day.